Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to use Google Voice Search Engine to search for any information on Google. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on here to open my Chrome browser. So what we need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. So I'm going to click on. Okay. So when you talk, it automatically brings out the result. Now, let's say, for instance, I create a new tab again, and then I click on the icon right here, and I ask what. Then you will have the result of what is biology.
According to study.com, biology is the study of life. Biologists study things from very tiny atoms that make up living things, all the way up to interactions of living things in the entire world, called the biosphere. Bio means life, and the suffix ology means study. So you can remember biology is the study of life.
It's as simple as that. What a great result. Now, one more thing about this search result is that you can simply narrow your search results by images. So click on images right here, and you see a lot of results images that relate to question you had with your mic on Google search. So the more you scroll down, the more you see a variety images illustration of what biology is all about. This is depends on whatever type of question you had, and you are getting the result of whatever question you had in Google Chrome using your voice search. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how best you can use voice search to search for whatever information you are looking for on Chrome browser on your mobile without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.